Hey guys, if your car won't start, there could be a number of reasons why, but two of the most common reasons are either a dead battery or a bad starter or bad starter fuse. So if it is your battery, you'll probably hear a rapid series of clicks. It may sound something like this. If it sounds like that, then in most cases it's a dead battery. What you can try to do is turn on your headlights, and if they won't come on at all or if they're really dim, that's another indicator that it's a dead or dying battery. One thing you can do is try to jump it off. If there's enough juice left in the battery, it may be able to start up, and that'll at least get you home. If that doesn't work, you may have to take out your battery, take it to an AutoZone. They'll usually test it free and tell you if it's good or not. And if it is a dead battery, check and see if it's still under warranty. You may be able to get a new one free. If not, you can probably go to Walmart and get a new battery for less than $100 and just install it yourself. If it's your starter, you'll still hear some clicks, but it won't sound as rapid. So if it sounds more like that, first thing you need to do is check your starter fuse. So you'll go to your fuse box and figure out which one is your starter fuse. And if you don't know that, you can check your owner's manual. If you don't have the owner's manual, just Google your year, make, and model of car along with starter fuse, and it should pop up showing you which fuse that is. And that's usually pretty easy and cheap to replace. That'd be the first thing to do, is replace that and see if that works. Now, if all the fuses look good, then you may have to just replace the starter. You may have to have it towed to Pep Boys or something like that. But that's a couple of easy ways to see what the problem might be if your car won't start. And compared to a lot of car repairs, the starter and the battery aren't the most expensive repairs. So if that's all it is, then you may be pretty lucky. I know it doesn't sound like it if your freaking car won't start, but that's two of the most common reasons why your car won't start. So definitely check those things before you freak out and think your car is a goner. It may not be, it may just be a simple fix. I hope this video helped, and I hope you figure out what's wrong. If this happened to you, leave me a comment below. When you figure out what it is, leave a comment and let me know what the problem was. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks.